nation. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now the boss call.
Where are we going today?
Today we are going to visit Lucy at work. We are going with her to work.
That's a really fun fact.
Yes. Good morning. Hello.
Morning.
Hello. Robin. Pleasure to meet you.
Hi. I'm Lucy's friend, Tim.
Okay. Hi.
Hello, Pontus.
Det är privatskola alltså.
Plenty of cool people here. She's from America.
America?
Pennsylvania, Utah, and Los Angeles.
So are they staying here or?
Just to meet the kids and then going into Seoul.
Ja, just det.
And then have the observation of your classes.
Yeah. No, just for a little 5 minutes. That's it.
Yeah. So one thing is that she's a great teacher.
That's good. That's good.
It's good.
Please enjoy it.
We believe so too.
You can just bring your bags. You can leave them here, but my classroom's okay.
We can leave them here.
If you leave them here, no, bring them to the classroom. Let's go. This is my old classroom. So now it's not there. Good morning. These are my friends.
Hello.
This is Sky teacher.
Tim.
I didn't expect it really.
Hi.
We're just 4 guys. We're from Sweden.
Sweden.
Yeah.
Wow. Cool. Why you wear the same shirt?
Yes, it's our company.
A travel company.
Cool. So this is like a highlight number 1 to follow Lucy to the work. That's cool.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You're from South Korea. You're from here.
Yes. Already here. Yeah, around here.
We've just met all the other foreign teachers and they're like, what, you're from Canada, you're from South Africa, you're from America, so I think now they're checking.
Yeah, we
It's
are.
important. No one here is Swede.
This is my classroom.
So this is like your own classroom.
Yes, but in the afternoon some of the teachers teach in it. But this is my classroom, this is my decorations, these are my kids.
This is just so
Maybe I
good.
should...
Så jävla bra.
Lucy, how do you plan the lesson? Do you do that by yourself?
We've got books that we've got to teach ourselves. No, like we have to complete the books.
You have like deadlines.
Det här är Lucys egna klassrum där de har sina elever. Det är en privatskola alltså som vi är på just nu. Alla tjejer som jobbar här, de är från olika länder, undervisar engelska. Så de har fått sitt egna klassrum med olika barn. Det är skitbra.
But everyone else is okay.
Okej. Man får inte ha skolan där så precis. Fuck it. En japansk vässare.
Lucy, to be fair, all of us really needs to be in this classroom anyway.
Because you're babies.
Yes.
But are you learning out English or British?
American English.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wow, what cool shoes you have.
Yeah.
Do you have the same shoes for me? And I also have... No? You don't have? What shoes should I have? Should I have my own?
Should you wear these pink ones?
Should I have the pink ones? No, that's not for me. That's Lucy's, right?
Lucy teacher.
It's only for Lucy.
Lucy teacher.
So Lucy, the family just dropped the children off.
Most of them come by bus. These are little babies.
She's a good
behind.
teacher.
Look at them
That's nice.
They probably haven't seen Korean males. Oh, you're okay. You can sit down and wait. 4 different buses, I think. Thank you, Lucy. So most of them, the bus teacher brings them all in. And they've got a little card in their bag which gets swiped so we know who's here and who's not here, yeah.
That's pathetic. It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cool. Too cool for this school.
Can you ask my friends their name, Sophie? Can you ask them their name? Ask them their name. What is their name? Can you ask them? I think you can ask them. Oh, thank you.
Are you friends with Lucy, teacher?
Are you shy? Sophie, you're not shy. You're not shy.
We're also friends with Lucy, teacher.
Sophie, can you ask them their name? What is your name? What is your name? Oh, okay. Good job.
Hello.
assembly with you guys. Okay, let's line up, please. Who is helper? What number are you? Let's have a look. 1, 2. Jake, stand up, please. 3, 4, 5. Jake, who do you stand behind? Who do you stand behind? No, who do you stand behind? Yes. Well, you need to do this very, very loud, okay? Shelton, are you ready? Go. Good job. Walking, walking, walking. And now they go to the line up.
Hello, teacher Tim.
Hello, man. I'm the teacher in Korean school. What do you want to learn today? You want to learn fruits?
I want to learn how to count to 10.
Swim.
I want to swim.
I want to learn how to say swim on English.
Swing.
Swam, swim, pass
Swam.
out.
Who's this first? Roy, come and watch yours, please. Just a little bit. Good job.
Yes.
Which one,
Yes,
Roy?
you may.
You can choose. That or that?
This one, please.
The green
Yes,
one.
you may.
With the cheese. Okay. There you go.
Hello.
No problem. Good, Roy. Good job.
Want to go?
Ja.
Bye bye.
Bye kids.
What do you say?
Bye.
Vad fan är det du sitter
Det
på?
var lite häftigt ändå.
Ja, vad skitbra.
Fick lite förklara att de har alltså morgonrutiner där de vet precis vad de ska göra.
Kan inte vi göra sen lite morgonrutin här?
Det är så häftigt, men det var inte konstigt
Ja.
att en ska stå längst fram och alla bara yes sir!
Det var det är lite delade tankar kring om det är bra eller dåligt.
Fast ändå coolt.
Extremt strukturerat.
Ja.
Det är lite häftigt ändå att de vet precis vad de ska göra. De vet precis liksom morgonrutinen och allting. Men det känns lite liksom hjärntvättat så.
Ja, det här var alltså en privat skola där föräldrarna alltså, de betalar en summa för att
Ja,
barnen ska
de
lära sig.
betalar för det. Och alla lärare är alltså från engelsktalande länder, liksom internationella.
Det är ändå häftigt att det är olika tjejer från olika
Ja, det är
engelsktalande språk i världen. Så.
Men ändå så, alltså det var svinhäftigt liksom, ta av sig skorna för att de har liksom ett område där de inte får ha skor. De liksom hade en morgonrutin, så god morgon, de gick alltid liksom i led för att liksom...
Det kanske krävs lite sånt när du ska lära dig någonting också.
Ja, alltså
Du lär dig ju på en
Ja,
sån
det är klart.
nivå.
De blir ju väldigt, ska man säga, det är struktur på.
Ja.
Men samtidigt lite liksom
Ja, men jag håller med dig.
auktoritet.
Jag håller med dig. Men det var en jävligt häftig vistelse för oss i
det var
alla fall.
riktigt,
Det var kul att se.
Jag
Och Lulse kommer uppskatta det också, så det är kul.
imponerande för henne.
Okej, nu då? Vart ska vi? Vart är vi på väg?
Nu ska vi in till Sul igen då, för att nu har vi ändå hela dagen framför oss, vilket är jävligt bra också, för vi har gått upp tidigt idag.
Käka först.
Ja,
Först käkar vi
Frukost.
2 bananer och en
Harry's
ananas.
Baguette.
Och sen
Inte gå in i dörrar eller något, bara gå in i
Old
solen.
Town.
Old Town.